Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta White capsules. For an easy method, simply take one capsule daily with a glass of water. It's often best to consume it on an empty stomach to help with absorption. Consistency is truly important, so try to take it around the same time each day to see the best results over time. To maximize absorption, consider taking your Gluta White capsule about 30 minutes before your first meal. It's generally recommended to avoid consuming it with very hot beverages, as this might affect its efficacy. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's processes and overall well-being. Before starting any new supplement, including Gluta White capsules, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. Please do not exceed the recommended dosage, which is typically 1 capsule per day, to ensure your safety. Store your capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their quality. To get the most out of your Gluta White capsules, support your body with a balanced and healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin hydrated. Combining capsule use with a consistent, good quality topical skincare routine can also enhance your overall results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.